Alright, here we are at question 40. This is about a toy, and you have a balloon, you have got a clip. Same thing, you have two diagrams, so there seems to be a comparison going on that we need to find out what we are comparing. One has a clip, the other one does not have. Okay, so using energy conversion, explain why is it able to move. The moment I think of move, I'm looking at kinetic energy. So little notes that I can take note. Alright, I know in the past I've gotten you to force you to write at the side. If you would like, prefer to write it at the top, up to you. Okay, so I know there's a comparison. I know there is some kind of a kinetic energy going on. Now, compare can be comparing differences, right? So one has a clip, the other one does not have. So there must be something special about the clip. That is when it's removed, balloon starts to actually move about. Alright, so there must be some kind of a stored energy that this clip has. Alright, or this kind of clip is actually creating some kind of energy. Maybe I don't know if you have seen some toys, they have some rubber band. Alright, maybe they coil it up tight, and then when you release it, that thing spins up in the air. Alright, you might have seen those kind of toys before. So the clip plays an important role in the conversion. So I would say that the energy must have started from where? From the clip. So in this case, if you're not sure of what energy is that found in the clip, you can actually just say potential energy. Alright, now in this case it's unclear because I do not know whether it is a spring inside a clip or whatever. Alright, so I know there's some kind of a stored energy. It's just that I do not know whether it's an elastic stored energy or what. Alright, so in this case I will just assume or take it as that there's a elastic potential energy in the clip. And what happened, this is the evidence. What happens is this kind of energy is being converted to the kinetic energy of the balloon. That's why it moves. So it moves or it flies upwards. Alright. Okay, so like I said, if you're unsure that it is an elastic potential energy, always you are fine to say it's just the stored energy in the clip. That's fine. Alright, and this question is not very clear, okay, as to what kind of stored energy it possesses. Alright, now explain why the toy stopped moving. Wow, when I hear the word stopped, I immediately think of the word all. When I think of the word slowed, I immediately think of the word some. Why? Some of the energy is converted, or all of the energy is converted. So in this case, because it's stopped, alright, so since it is being stopped, then I must mention that it is because all of the kinetic energy has been converted away, right? Converted to what? Please don't tell me other forms of energy. Alright, start to tell me what are the forms of energy. Heat energy, that's one, because of the air resistance. And when it lands on the floor, direct contact, you will also have some heat energy. You will also hear some sound energy. Okay, so these are not the main forms of energy. We discussed this in class, right? We were not sure what are main forms of energy. HESE, sound energy, they are not the main forms. They are not the important forms. Alright. Name the force that acts on so there's a force to cause it to drop. Okay, so you can either write gravity, right? Or you can write gravitational force if you're unsure how to spell gravitational force. Now you would like to make the toy move at a greater speed, faster speed. So that means you would like it to have a higher kinetic energy. Now for it to have a higher kinetic energy, of course you must have something before that that's also higher, right? For it to convert into a higher kinetic energy. So what happens is that a few ways. One way that some people do in real life is make the balloon bigger. Yeah, you can inflate the balloon, no problem. When you inflate the balloon, you will find that there is more stored energy in the air of the balloon. All right, that's one way. So by inflating that balloon, you're actually increasing perhaps the stored energy. In this case, we take it as elastic potential energy. Okay, so there will be more kinetic converted. So that's the end for question number 40.